there, Green Health Warriors. Are you ready to harm your body with some cancer fighting ammunition? Let's dive into the world of foods that kick cancer cells to the curb. Definition of cancer. According to the National Cancer Institute, cancer is a disease in which some of the body's cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. With trillions of cells making up the human body, cancer can begin practically anywhere. The human cells typically divide to create new cells as needed by the body by growing and multiplying. New cells replace old ones when they die as a result of aging or injury. This controlled mechanism can occasionally malfunction, causing damaged or abnormal cells to grow and expand when they shouldn't. Tumors are lumps of tissue that can be formed by these cells. Cancerous or benign tumors can both occur. Now, types of cancer. More than 200 different forms of cancer exist. The organs or tissues where tumors originate are typically used to name different types of cancer. For instance, brain cancer begins in the brain, but lung cancer begins in the lung. Now, for me to know if you had paid attention up to this point, and for me to know that you actually understand what we've talked about these few minutes, I need you to answer this question in the comment section below. Where does breast cancer start from? I'll be waiting for your answer. Cancers can also be classified according to the kind of cell that gave rise to them, such as squamous or epithelial cells. Now, what conditions promote or are favorable to cancer formation? According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, the three favorable conditions that promote cancer formation and growth are lack of oxygen, acidity of that part of the body, and sugar, availability of sugar. Oxygenating the body, eliminating the glucose the sugar produces, and recommending a highly alkalizing diet in order to neutralize the pH of the body is a few ways to destroy cancer cells in the body. Let's take a look at the top foods that kill cancer and big diseases. Before we do that, please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and kale are examples of cruciferous vegetables. These vegetables are rich in vitamins C, K, and manganese. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables include sulforaphane, a plant chemical that may have anti-cancer effects. 2. Apples. There's a popular saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, this may have some truth to it. Polyphenols found in apples show promise of being anti-cancer. Plant-based substances called polyphenols may be able to reduce inflammation, heart disease, and infections. According to a reliable source, polyphenols may alter specific mechanisms that can result in the development of cancer. 3. Carrots. Carrots are a great source of antioxidants, vitamin K, and other important nutrients. The characteristic orange color of carrots is also a result of their high beta carotene content. A Danish cohort studies research looked at the effect of 55,756 individuals' carrot consumption on the development of certain cancers. According to the findings, eating raw carrots may cut your risk of colorectal cancer by 17%. Furthermore, they propose that raw carrots could guard against lung cancer, pancreas cancer, and leukemia. Four food. The fourth food we are looking at is almonds. All nuts seem to have anti-cancer qualities. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, although walnuts have been the subject of more research than other varieties, a compound found in walnuts called pedunculagin is converted by the body into urolitins. Compounds called urolitins attach to estrogen receptors and may help prevent breast cancer. 5. Legumes. Legumes such as beans, peas, and lentils are high in fiber, which may help to reduce the risk of some types of cancer. For instance, one investigation investigated the correlation between the consumption of legume fiber and the likelihood of developing breast cancer. According to the study's findings, persons who consumed a lot of bean fiber in their diet had a 20% lower risk of breast cancer than those who did not get the recommended amount of fiber each day. Six. Grapes. Red grape skins contain an antioxidant called resveratrol, which has demonstrated potential as a cancer prevention strategy. Some researchers think that it might be used in cancer treatment in the future. In addition to resveratrol, the following nutrients, which have antioxidant and perhaps cancer-fighting qualities, are also present in grapes and grape seeds. Flavonoids, phenolic acid, anthocyanins, proanthocyanidins, and other tannins, catechins found in red and purple fruits. 7. Whole grains. A 2020 assessment of the literature links eating whole grains to a 6 to 12% decreased risk of cancer. Whole grains may lower the risk of a few site-specific malignancies, which include colon, rectal, esophagus, stomach, and pancreatic. Research has linked a high consumption of refined grains to an increased risk of stomach and colon cancer, in contrast to whole grains. The last but not the least, the eighth food that can reduce cancer risk or big diseases: olive oil. Consuming olive oil may reduce a person's chance of getting any kind of cancer. Certain cancers that it might aid in preventing include the following: gastrointestinal, breast, urinary tract, and upper aerodigestive. Well, this is where we call it a wrap for this one, my green healthy warriors. I would like to thank you for sticking to the end. Please drop a comment in the section below. Share to friends, share to acquaintances, your family, so that they can also benefit from this video. And in case you are yet to subscribe, please do that before you leave this channel so that you can get helpful and quality content from this channel. Well, stay informed and be healthy. Hope to see you in the next video.